Hi, welcome back to another episode of my channel. Really quick and simple, and I think this is a standard DAL. It's a CHANA DAL. You should know that, you've clicked on the link. What we have here bubbling away are 2 cups of CHANA DAL, soaked for about 4 hours, and now I'm boiling them down in a nice big pan. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 fully ripened tomatoes chopped, and that should take, I don't know, 25 minutes for that dal to soften. Now this is a South Indian style dal. I'm on the South Indian tip at the moment, as you can see with the dosa and everything. So we're just going to put that dal onto another ring. Apologies about my dirty cooker. I had a bit of an overspill accident earlier and I haven't had time to clean it up. So we're just going to heat this mini karahi up, karahai if you like, and we're going to add the tarka if you like. So 2.5 tablespoons of plain vegetable oil, and let's heat that up. So the ingredients were really simple, there's no need even to introduce them. To that oil I'm adding a teaspoon of cumin, and we just want to bring that to a nice crackle. Next we're adding some curry leaves, and to that, this is literally just 10 seconds each interval. So we've got some asafoetida or hing powder. This is what that is. Gives a nice distinct taste. And I've got 2 cloves of garlic, cut up quite fine. Just going to give that a good stir. Make sure not to burn the garlic. So if I can just transfer that away, that'll still heat up. So I want to talk about the tamarind. So what we have here is some tamarind pulp. I've used wet tamarind. So the thing about that, how to make it, you just literally break off a piece. I used a piece about, how big was it? About a heaped tablespoon, and I put it in some hot water on the boil. You stir it around for a couple of minutes and you get this quite thick tamarind juice. All I'm going to do is put a little bowl into the sink, and I'm just going to strain that off with a sieve. And here we are. There's our nice fresh tamarind juice, if you like. And this is going to add a distinctive South Indian flavour. So you notice the ingredients are really simple. And now I'm just going to add the contents of that nicely heated karahai. And that's it. So simple. And I'm going to boil that down. And as soon as the lentils become nice and soft, it's ready. And what I like to do, because I'm using a larger type lentil like CHANA DAL, I like to use a stick blender, and I just to pretend this spoon's my stick blender, I like to put it in and go zzzzt, and you get a nice multi-textured lentil. You get some of it that's been pureed very briefly, it only takes a couple of seconds, and you get some of it that are whole. And what you're seeing on the thumbnail of the video is what it's going to look like when it's cooked. A lot nicer than it's looking now. So, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. Quite a crude video, but it's just so easy. It's just so simple.